Did you know this exotic fruit can drive rats away for good? Take a large banana and cut off one end. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl and mash it thoroughly with a fork until smooth. Then place it back onto the peel and spread it evenly. Now sprinkle breadcrumbs over the top. Their smell and texture attract rodents and make them more likely to go for the mixture. Next, add baking soda. This is the key ingredient. When combined with food, it works from the inside and delivers fast results. Place the prepared banana on a plate. This is a simple and effective homemade bait for mice you can make in minutes. Put it near the balcony door, as this is where they often get in. You can also place it in the kitchen, especially in corners or near cabinets. It works well near trash bins too, where smells attract rodents and help them find the mixture faster. This is a simple and proven home remedy you can use right away. Get rid of mice. This will keep them away from your home. This way you can get rid of rodents without setting traps or using harmful poisons. This homemade mixture is a natural deterrent for mice and rats. Do mice appear in your home, basement, or garage? Do you not want to see them anymore? Prepare a mixture that will help you get rid of mice and rats. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is harmful to rodents. Sweeten the mixture with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Take toothpaste and squeeze it onto a spoon. Add that amount to the mixture. The smell of toothpaste will repel rodents, especially if it has a mint scent. Add 1 tablespoon of patching plaster. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well and knead it. The flour, baking soda, and plaster mean that if a mouse or rat tries to eat this mixture, at best it will experience stomach pain. This will discourage further visits. A uniform mass will form. Shape it into small balls and place them on a saucer. Put them wherever you have noticed rodent droppings, mice, or rats. Leave this natural repellent in the garage, attic, or basement as well. These small balls will help ensure a home free of mice and rats. Rats and mice will avoid your home. You don't need to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your house from unwanted rodents. Grab a lemon, specifically its peel. Its strong aroma makes it perfect for this trick. Cut it into small cubes and place them in a glass container, like a jar. Next, take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them and chop them finely. Add the chopped garlic to the jar with the lemon. Mice also dislike the smell of coffee, so add a tablespoon of ground coffee to the jar. Another key ingredient is a handful of cloves, known for their strong scent that repels mice and some insects. Pour vinegar over all the ingredients. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing everything to intensify its effects. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, simply spray around the entrance of your home. This is the best natural repellent that will surely keep mice away from your property. Mice and rats will never appear in your home or garden again. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items. I got rid of rodents from my home once and for all. They now avoid my house completely. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour into the bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Leave this bowl outside your home or near the entrance door. Cut some lemons in half. Squeeze the juice out of all the lemons. Then prepare a few jar lids. Place a lemon half on each lid. Make sure to cut the ends of the lemons so they sit firmly. Pour some olive oil into each lemon half. Add a few drops of essential oil and a bit of pepper. Mix everything inside the lemon carefully. Then leave such a lemon lid trap outside your home. Place a few cotton pads on a plate, making sure they cover the surface. Pour vinegar over the cotton pads, then pour some oil on each pad as well. Add a pinch of hot red pepper. Another important ingredient is black pepper. Make sure it's ground. Set these traps in places that are exposed to rodents. Just a few drops of this, and mice and rats disappear. These rodents can't stand it. Do you also have a problem with mice and rats? Or maybe you're terrified of them and want to prevent them from showing up. This is a natural way to get rid of them once and for all. This homemade spray effectively keeps unwanted rodents away. First, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves in a grinder so the scent becomes stronger. Transfer the ground cloves into a bowl. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well so the ingredients blend together. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the spice residue. Now take 3/4 of a cup of the extract and dilute it with 2 cups of water to get the right consistency. Pour the ready spray into a spray bottle. Spray it in the areas where mice and rats are most likely to appear. This natural spray drives rodents away with the strong scent of spices. Place this next to your house and you won't see any mice or rats for the next year. And it's all for free, without spending money on expensive products. Take a small plastic bowl. Prepare breadcrumbs, which have properties that attract rodents, making them perfect for creating the bait. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into the bowl. The next ingredient is baking soda, which repels rodents while being a crucial part of the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then add powdered sugar, which works excellently as an attractant, drawing mice or rats to the mixture. Pour 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now, add regular flour, which acts as a binding agent, combining all the ingredients into one mixture. Add 2 good tablespoons of flour. Finally, add toothpaste, a key ingredient that repels rodents. Add a generous portion of toothpaste to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly, then knead it into a ball. Tear off smaller pieces from the large ball and shape them into small balls. Now you have ready-made balls. Place them where mice or rats are most often seen, next to the house, near the trash cans, in the basement, or in the garden. These rodents seek shelter in such places, and the bait will effectively repel them for good. Don't spend money on professionals, do it yourself. Rats and mice disappear instantly. No need to spend money on harmful traps. This homemade method will effectively protect your home from rodents. Start with a plastic bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The flour acts as the base. It has a pleasant smell that encourages rodents to eat the mixture. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. This is the key ingredient. Once inside the rodent's digestive system, the yeast reacts with moisture, begins to ferment, and produces gas. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated cheese. The cheese works as bait. Its strong smell acts like a magnet for rodents, who can't resist it. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the prepared mixture in the bowl by the front door or outside. You can also sprinkle it along doorways. The smell of cheese will attract the animals, but the yeast and flour inside their bodies will cause fermentation, which they can't digest. With this simple solution, you'll get rid of rodents quickly, effectively, and without chemicals. Rats and mice disappear within a minute. You don't have to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your home from unwanted rodents. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of flour into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the bowl outside your home or by the front door. You can also sprinkle the mixture at entry points to your home. The cheese aroma will attract mice, but when they start consuming the mixture, the remaining ingredients will ferment in their stomachs. They won't be able to digest the yeast and flour, so they won't survive this mixture. I guarantee that this natural trap will work perfectly. With this simple solution, you can quickly and effectively get rid of rodents without the need for chemicals.